The journey from aquatic to terrestrial life is one of the most remarkable evolutionary tales on our planet. This transition, a pivotal moment in Earth's history, required a profound genomic makeover. But what exactly happened at the genetic level to enable this shift? A recent study, published in the prestigious journal Nature, delves into this very question, offering a comprehensive look at the key genomic adaptations that occurred during the transition to terrestrial ecosystems. The findings reveal a fascinating interplay between convergent evolution and unique lineage-specific adaptations. The study, led by researchers Marta Álvarez-Presas and Jordi Paps, analyzed the genomes of 154 species from 21 animal phyla, focusing on 11 independent events of terrestrialization. By employing an integrative approach, combining comparative genomics, functional annotation, and evolutionary reconstruction, the team uncovered a surprising level of predictability in the adaptations that enabled animals to thrive on land. One of the most intriguing findings is the identification of 3 major waves of terrestrialization, each coinciding with significant global ecological changes. Interestingly, the study reveals that many of the adaptive functions evolved independently and repeatedly across different lineages. This suggests that, despite the diversity of animal life, there are common molecular responses to the challenges of life on land. Marta Álvarez-Presas explains, all terrestrial lineages, despite evolving separately, have gained and lost genes in a convergent manner to cope with the challenges of the terrestrial environment. The most recurrent innovations are related to osmoregulation, protection against environmental stress, immunity, metabolism, sensory perception, and reproduction. This convergent evolution highlights the remarkable adaptability of life, even when faced with vastly different evolutionary paths. Jialin Wei, the first author of the study, adds, gene losses have also played an important role in the transition to land, some have coincided in different groups. However, other changes are unique to each group and reflect evolutionary pathways. This dual nature of convergent and unique adaptations is a key takeaway from the research. The study also emphasizes the role of evolutionary convergence in the terrestrialization process. Álvarez-Presas notes, many genomic adaptations to terrestrial animal life are convergent, suggesting broadly predictable molecular responses. Faced with similar ecological challenges, such as the risk of desiccation or low salinity, animals that have colonized the land have repeatedly arrived at similar molecular solutions. This convergence underscores the idea that life tends to find similar solutions when confronted with similar environmental pressures. The researchers further highlight the strong gene renewal observed in lineages that have made the evolutionary transition to terrestrial life, especially those that are completely terrestrial. These lineages have gained more new genes to regulate water balance and protect themselves in the much drier terrestrial environment. Terrestrial vertebrates and mollusks, for example, have incorporated innovations related to ion transport and specific metabolic modifications to reduce water loss. The study's findings have significant implications for our understanding of the evolutionary history of life on Earth. By revealing the recurring nature of adaptations and the role of evolutionary convergence, the research provides a unique perspective on how life has adapted to terrestrial environments throughout Earth's geological history. As Álvarez-Presas concludes, this study confirms that maintaining water and ionic balance was a bottleneck for conquering the Earth, and it highlights the interplay between predictability and contingency in the evolutionary process. The study's publication in Nature invites further exploration of the complex relationship between genome evolution and the emergence of terrestrial animals, offering a fascinating glimpse into the intricate tapestry of life's evolution on our planet.